video, I'm going to show you my favorite Thai peanut sauce. We're going to use this for our power bowls this week. So we're going to start with some soy sauce. Rice vinegar. Put a half a cup of peanut butter. And you'll notice I'm not a perfectionist about measuring. Feel free to, but it's kind of hard to mess these up unless you get your ratios way off. You can have success in just eyeballing it. Now you can use maple syrup, agave honey. I'm just going to use 2 dates that I pitted. I'm going to put 2 fresh cloves of garlic and 2 chunks, smallish chunks of ginger. And we're going to do a little pinch of cayenne. If you don't like things spicy, you can leave this part out. And a squeeze of my already squeezed for me lime juice. I'm gonna add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water just because I like mine to be pourable. I don't want it to be too thick, especially because I know it's gonna be sitting in my fridge because it's a prep meal. All right. Make sure you got your lid down far enough and don't be like me and have a small explosion happen. I'm gonna taste it. If you want to add more sweetness or more liquid to thin it out, just mess with it until it's the way that you love it. Alright, so here's how we assemble a power bowl, or if your bowls are too small, you can make it a power plate. Pretty much all you need is a grain. It can be couscous, white rice, brown rice, wild rice. It can be quinoa or millet or barley. Open it up, try farro, try some new grains. And then you want beans. You can even substitute tofu if you enjoy tofu. Then you just want some greens and some veggies and a yummy sauce. So extra credit if you put some salad leafy greens on the bottom. It's really good for your heart. I'm just going to use these white canned beans. You can use, ones that you've already made in advance or canned. They have really good flavored beans that you can put in here, just that are already seasoned. I happen to have quinoa already ready to go. Oops. So that's what I'm going to be using. And then I just had some leftover broccoli and some wilted spinach. You can put fresh spinach. I like mine wilted a little bit. For some reason I like that texture better. To each his own. And then this is just a bunch of peppers that I sauteed earlier up in the week. And this is where my little squeeze bottle really comes in handy. Just filled my sauce in there and I thinned it out so that it could spread really easy, and I just top that. Another really delicious thing that you can top this with is some roasted peanuts or chopped walnuts to give it some crunch. I'm just going to put some salt and pepper, put a squeeze of hot sauce if you love hot sauce, and you have a really easy, you just put together with whatever you have on hand, delicious bowl that will get you through until dinner. So this version is more of a power plate. Sometimes I'm really hungry and everything I want to eat isn't going to fit in a bowl. So this is brown rice that you can cook in broth and some herbs. I use this herb blend for this plate. I sauteed up some onion, broccoli, peppers, and bok choy for my grains and veggies, and then I just used the beans that I had on hand and topped it with my Thai peanut dressing. This would also be really, really yummy with some roasted peanuts on top. So just whatever vegetables, grains, and bean combination sounds good to you, and sauce and herb combination sounds good to you, go for it and load up your plate and eat until you're full.